Hi, this is Sandy, the Kentucky Crafter. I'm back with the next series in my Rudolph Little Golden Book Junk Journal. And I wanted to walk you through what I decided to do with regard to pockets and kind of the first cut of decorations. So I put this cut apart here. It says North Pole Production Presents, and I thought that was kind of nice to have there at the front. And then I added a tuck here in the upper right hand corner with a little cut apart. And then I went and added I had these little stamps, a bunch of different little Christmas stamps, and just kind of scattered those throughout the pages. Santa Claus, so you'll see those as I flip through. And get a little bit closer. And then show you some of the other, added a pocket here, and here I did a stitching in white with the sewing machine. Add a fun little detail. And here's another pocket with the Rudolph paper and another little journaling card. And here I did a side tuck, and this is an embossed paper, and it has reindeer and stars embossed. I thought that was pretty. And another cut apart, and then another little stamp here is a little snowflake stamp. And then on this one, this is an envelope, and it folds out, and I added this decorative stitching in this red cardstock to kind of cover up the lip of the envelope. And I will stuff some fun stuff in there. And then you see the little stamps I added there. And then here's another corner tuck. And again, I did the stitching with the sewing machine, a little tuck with the red truck and an eggnog recipe on the back. Here's another little tuck. I don't like to glue everything down in case the owner wants to move things around. And then in the center of this signature, I've added a reindeer and a candy cane. And then this is a double pocket, this letters to Santa Claus, and added that. And I just absolutely love this page right here. Very happy with how it turned out. And then here's another corner tuck with the stitching. And then this is a envelope where I have added a bunch of cut aparts. And it's an envelope where I cut two slices, and then this up here is also a pocket, and then added just some pretty decorative paper there, and then added these fun little things into those pockets. And then some more stickers, and then another side tuck, and then this is a really old greeting card. Another pocket, another pocket here, some old greeting cards, and then again another right bottom cut tuck. It's easy for you to say. And then added this North Pole Express Delivery cut apart, and then we got another pocket down here, these pretty little trees and reindeer. And then this I did a flip up. Thought that would be kind of fun with some washi tape. And then over here I have another corner tuck, and then on this side is a corner tuck. So I just did the stitching all the way down and around. Thought that was fun. Another little pocket, corner tuck, corner tuck, another corner tuck, little pocket, side tuck, and the blue to kind of pick up the blue over here. Another pocket, another little stamp, Christmas tree, another corner tuck. Added this cut apart here to go with this check. I really like that. Another stamp. And then for this center one, we have 2 buttons. And then again, another shallow pocket. And I like the Santa Claus is coming to town to kind of go with the Santa Clauses. And then another corner tuck, pocket, side tuck again. And then this one is a flip out this way. You can add a photo, or do some journaling there. Another big corner tuck, upper right hand corner, another lower tuck, pocket, another little corner tuck, pocket, another little corner tuck with some stitching on the sewing machine. And then in the last signature, I added a corner tuck here with some cut aparts in there. A corner tuck up here, some more stamps, a wreath. Here's a little shallow pocket with the stitching from the sewing machine. And another corner tuck. And then again, another side tuck over here. And then another envelope where I've cut 2 slits. And then also have a pocket up here as well. And just added some pretty decorative cardstock there. And then another shallow pocket with the stitching. Some stamps on the vellum ornament and some holly leaves. Another pocket, a little corner tuck, and here we have a Christmas tree and a candy cane. And then a pocket, and then this I taped up this end and made a top pocket here. Corner tuck again with the stitching. And another pocket. And a top corner right tuck. Bottom left tuck and the stitching again. Some more stamps. And then a bottom right tuck. And then a pocket. And in this envelope, I cut the top part, so I have a pocket on this side and then a pocket on the first side. So 2 pockets there. And then just clip that on. I thought that was really pretty to have that at the end of the story. So those are all the different pockets and tucks and flip outs and hidden things that I added. So I just kind of wanted to walk you all through those so you could see them. So I really enjoy how this journal's coming together, and I hope you all like it as well. If so, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. And the additional parts of this video series will be coming out soon. Thank you so much for watching.